SEAT is today unveiling the first official images of its all-new Alhambra, the latest generation of the Spanish carmaker's perennially popular people carrier. As a genuine multi-purpose vehicle, MPV, the new SEAT Alhambra offers far more than simply plenty of space for family, business and hobbies. Its innovative versatility fits just as well to family requirements as it does to the demands of the high-mileage business driver. Just like every SEAT, sporting character and driving fun go hand-in-hand with practicality and innovation. Thanks to its surprisingly dynamic handling, engaging power plants and the latest high-tech equipment, drivers can look forward to every mile behind the wheel of the new car. And, with the potential for a combined fuel consumption figure of more than 51 miles per gallon, the new Alhambra sets a benchmark in its segment. James Muir, SEAT SA president, said, "Innovation and intelligence are the keywords for our new Alhambra. It represents a major step forward in terms of usability as well as dynamics and safety. Its impressive concept combines the highest levels of functionality and state-of-the-art technology with excellent quality and workmanship. This also includes, in typical SEAT fashion, exceptional value for money." Measuring 4.85 meters bumper to bumper, the new Alhambra is 22 centimeters longer than its predecessor, while it is also wider by a full 9 centimeters. There's plenty of room for adults to sit comfortably, even in the third row, while the large sliding doors, with optional electric operation, allow especially easy entry. Luggage space is more than generous, too. When configured as a 5-seater, the new SEAT has 885 liters of load space available, which grows to a cavernous maximum of 2,297 liters if only the front two seats are in use. Central to the new car's development has been the intelligent and extremely versatile seating concept. The new Alhambra comes with seating for 5, 6 or 7. Unlike its predecessor, if more storage room is called for, the second and third row seats need no longer be removed. Instead, they can be sunk easily into the vehicle floor using the Easy Fold system. The middle row seats can also be arranged longitudinally, with integrated child seats available as an option. Meanwhile, the seating position of both the driver and front seat passenger combines the best visibility with a sporty feel and ideal ergonomics. Looks-wise, the new Alhambra clearly conveys its dynamic character through its design. Broad, taut proportions, clear lines and the distinctive wheel arches give it a powerful presence and a level of sporting appeal that's extremely unusual in the MPV sector. With its arrow-shaped bonnet, hallmark grille and distinctive front skirt continuing the aero design, the new Alhambra clearly displays its SEAT DNA. The sleek side profile shows great technical precision, with the sliding doors perfectly integrated. The muscular spoiler on the rear edge of the roof, the low-reaching rear hatch and the expansive light clusters dominate the rear end. Beneath its attractive skin, the Alhambra is new in every detail and equipped with state-of-the-art technology throughout. First and foremost, there's the new engine lineup, where the TSI and both TDI power units are equipped with direct fuel injection and turbocharging. The TSI unit delivers 150 PS, while the two TDI engines offer 140 PS and 170 PS. Further efficiency measures fitted as standard include a start-stop system and brake energy recovery technology. These guarantee refined pulling power alongside exceptional economy. With an average fuel consumption of more than 51 miles per gallon and CO2 emissions of just 143 grams/km, the 140 PS SEAT Alhambra 2.0 TDI sets a clear benchmark in its class. The Alhambra TDI is also equipped with an SCR catalytic converter, selective catalytic reduction, making the diesel model one of the world's cleanest MPVs. Just like the TSI and TDI engines, the optional DSG dual-clutch transmission delivers a perfect combination of sporting character, comfort and efficiency. But it's the range of state-of-the-art and innovative technologies offered as optional equipment on the new Alhambra that really stand out. Among the highlights are the Seat Spy xenon headlamps with adaptive control and new full beam assistant. In this system, a sensor detects oncoming vehicles and automatically dips the beam. Also new is the park steer assistant, which autonomously maneuvers the Alhambra into tight parking spaces. A rear-view camera delivers an image of the world behind the vehicle, while the optional panorama sliding roof has an opening that is 300% larger than a conventional sunroof. The new car's optional 3-zone climatronic ensures an optimum temperature in all seats, while electric motors simplify the operation of the sliding doors and rear hatch. Standard safety equipment is already well above the industry average. In the new Alhambra, it encompasses 7 airbags, including a driver side knee airbag, and electric child locks on the rear doors. Also standard are ABS and DSP, including electronic braking assistant, trailer stabilization and tire pressure monitoring display.
Rob Stone, 2 damn phones, Babylon's came.